from hydroponics lab and definitely more exciting than your 7 a.m. biology class. Pretending that photosynthesis is thrilling. Today, we're rolling out a special extended report titled Biotechnology in Agriculture, Upgrading Plants Since Forever. Now, you might be thinking, biotechnology? Isn't that what mad scientists do in movies? Relax, no evil clones here. No giant mutant tomatoes chasing people on the street. Well, not yet. Well, biotechnology simply means using science and living organisms to solve problems. In agriculture, these problems include pests, drought, low nutrients, plants acting dramatic and dying for no reason, and of course, climate change bullying crops every year. Biotechnology steps in like a superhero and says, "Not on my watch." It uses tools like genetic engineering, editing plants' DNA to give it better traits, tissue culture, growing new plants from tiny pieces, basically plant cloning but without the creepy billing music. Marker-assisted breeding, choosing the best plant parents based on their genes, basically Tinder but for crops. Microbial biotechnology, using bacteria or fungi to help plants grow better. Why do we all do this? Because the world needs more food, farmers need more support, and honestly, plants could use the upgrade. Biotechnology helps crops survive challenges like heat waves, floods, pests with zero chill, diseases that suddenly appear like unexpected plot twists. Think of biotechnology as giving plants superpowers. If crops had Instagram profiles, their bio would say, surviving droughts, resisting pests, growing faster than your deadlines. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deeper. For more on how the science magic actually works, let's hand it over to Rhea Pustel, our science correspondent currently reporting from the lab, or her room decorated to look like it.
Thank you, Ray. This is Rhea Pustejo, reporting live from my laboratory, which is really just a table with notebooks and a plant I haven't watered in 3 days. Very scientific. Let's break down agriculture biotechnology, or as the cool kids called it, agribiotic. Agribiotic uses scientific tools to modify crops and improve agriculture, not in a scary sci-fi way, major like let's help this plant survive instead of giving up at the sight of one insect. Major biotic techniques used today. First is genetic engineering, GMO, adding, removing, or tweaking small pieces of DNA to improve traits. Examples, corn resistant to pests, rice enriched with vitamins, plants that survive drought like a cow. Second is tissue culture, growing new plants from tiny tissues. The benefits, disease-free, fast growth, all look the same like a plant K-pop group. Third is marker-assisted breeding, using genetic markers to choose the best parent plants, basically matchmaking but for crops. Yes, this is one has strong drought genes. Swipe right. The fourth is microbial biotechnology, using bacteria and fungi to help crops grow, fight diseases, or absorb nutrients. Tiny bodyguards for plants. And the fifth is CRISPR gene editing, the newest superstar. Allows scientists to cut and edit DNA like it's a text message. Oops, typo, fixed gene. All these tools help us boost crop yield, reduce losses, improve nutrition, support farmers, protect the environment. Science isn't replacing farming, it's upgrading it. For the existing list of benefits, let's pass it on to Marlon Subia, reporting live from the field greener that everyone's known on Google Photos.
Thank you, Ms. Rhea. This is Marlon Subia, reporting live from a farm so green, it looks like it was sponsored by Photoshop. Let's talk about the big benefits of biotechnology. Why is it the star of agriculture? The first one is the higher yields. Biotech crops produce more food on the same land. Imagine planting the same seeds but harvesting twice as much. That's every farmer's dream and every rice cooker's nightmare. Number 2, pest resistance. Some crops are engineered to fight pests on their own. Less insect snacking on food before we do. Number 4 is the climate resilience. Droughts, floods, and heat waves. Biotech crops handle climate mood swing better than the most of us handled Mondays. Number 5, better nutrition. Some crops are enhanced with vitamins and minerals. Example, vitamin A, rice, iron-rich beans, and zinc-rich sweet potatoes. Number 6 is the reduced chemical use. Less pesticides equal healthier farmers, cleaner soil, and cleaner water. Number 7 is better income for farmers. More yield plus fewer losses equal higher income, and that means better lives for farming communities. And the last one is the longer shelf life. Some biotech foods spoil slower, perfect for people who forget they bought vegetables. These benefits are already helping millions of today. To meet the actual celebrity of crops of biotechnology and to wrap this entire feature, let's turn it over to Ms. Joshua Concepcion, our official crop correspondent.
Thank you, Marlon. This is Joshua Concepcion reporting from the Hall of Famous Crops where vegetable walk the runway. If they had legs, let's meet our biotech superstar. First, BP corn. Resist insect pests naturally. Corn, but with ninja skills. Second, golden rice. Enriched with vitamin A. Small grains, big in. Third, virus-resistant papaya. Save the Hawaiian papaya industry. A real-life hero. Fourth, drought-tolerant maize. Perfect for places where the train forgot to show up. Fifth, BT eggplant. Reduce pesticide used by up to 80%. Even eggplants are living healthier than some of us. The last is bio-fertilizers, sweet potatoes, and casabas. Extra vitamins and minerals, basically the multivitamin version of crops. Concerns. First, safety. Good news, biotech crops undergo years of testing. They are some of the most studied foods in history. Second, environmental impact. Biotech actually reduces pesticide use and helps protect biodiversity when used properly. Last, corporate control. Seed patents are a concern. The solution, government regulation, local research, and giving farmers access. Biotech isn't here to replace traditional farming. It's here to upgrade it. Grand wrap-up. Biotechnology in agriculture helps us grow more food, improve nutrition, reduce chemical use, adapt to climate change, support farmers, build food security. It's not magic. It's not a sci-fi movie. It's a science help us to grow a better future. And that concludes our special report. This has been Joshua Concepcion for Agri-News Network. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember, if plants can level up with biotechnology, then you can level up too.